Okay guys, this is a phone. It's a blue smartphone. So I got this today. It's a blue smartphone Studio Mini. Okay, let's unbox the phone. Here is the phone. It's a blue smartphone Studio Mini. So here you can see the specification, and it has 5.5 display and MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor, 32 GB internal storage and 2 GB RAM and much more. So inside of this box some SIM card tools. It's from Assurance Wireless. Okay, let's unbox the phone box. Let's see what's inside the box. Here is the phone. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Here is the data cable, and I can see a charger brick and also a blue sticker and some user manual and also battery. Okay, let's open the phone and attach the battery. So this is the phone. Okay, now I will attach the battery and I will activate the phone with my SIM card. So thanks for watching.